Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to complete getting over it. The core of this game is mastering your hammer. You'll want to practice swinging it with precision, focusing on small, controlled movements to gain upward momentum. Think of it like a delicate dance, where every swing counts. Understanding the game's unique physics is key to predicting your hammer's trajectory and making progress through the challenging terrain. It takes patience, but you'll get there. As you progress, you'll encounter many tricky sections. For horizontal movement across narrow ledges, the snake technique is invaluable, allowing you to inch forward safely. When facing steep vertical climbs, mastering the scorpion climb will be essential for gaining significant height. Always be mindful of environmental hazards, such as the notoriously slippery ice or unpredictable rolling logs, which can send you tumbling down in an instant. Stay focused and adapt your strategy. Falls are inevitable in getting over it, but how you recover is crucial. Develop quick reflexes to grab onto any nearby surface immediately after a fall, potentially saving you from a long descent. Always try to identify safe landing zones below you, which can help minimize the amount of progress lost. If you experience a significant drop, take a moment to strategically reset your position and plan your next descent, rather than rushing back into danger. Patience is your friend. Finally, completing getting over it is as much about mental fortitude as it is about skill. It's vital to maintain a calm and focused mindset, especially during those incredibly frustrating moments. Celebrate every small victory, even if it's just clearing a difficult jump, to build your confidence and motivation. Remember that every single attempt, successful or not, offers valuable learning opportunities, helping you understand the game's mechanics better. Persistence is truly the key to reaching the top.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.